YouTube India Creator Camp 2023 is happening live in Mumbai on 26 September 2023 after 3 years. As a YouTube content creator, it's a great place for you to be there so that you can see some of the most famous YouTube content creators on the stage who have got millions of subscribers and who have been getting massive views as well. Who are going to share their stories, the strategies that they used, tips that they used, which can also help you to understand and implement something similar which can help you to scale up your channel faster as well. Now, how to apply for this, I'm going to quickly tell you, and I've given the link of this registration page in the video description. You can just click on that and register as well. Let me just quickly tell you how to do that. Now, to do that, now if you want to see this entire page in Hindi, just click on this. It is going to show every content in Hindi. I'm just going to click on register now. Once I click on register now, so it says YouTube India Creator Camp 2023, 26 September 2023. It says sign in with Google or continue by email. I'm going to give as continue with Google, and I'm going to select my Google ID. You can select your Google ID as well. I'm going to select this. Once you select this, your email ID would be shown here. Next is it says travel and accommodation won't be provided, so that is something that you need to plan for the accommodation around the place. Then you must be 18 years plus of age to attend. Next is if you are having a team, so please sign up individually. So if you want to get your team member also to the event, so please make sure that they are separately registering as well. And due to capacity, they can accommodate only 2 people per channel. That's something that has been mentioned as well. So kindly confirm your age. So I'm going to select as 18 years old or above. Next, first name, last name. So please share your YouTube channel name. I'm going to mention as A2C Arts and Crafts. And please share your channel link. Let me just quickly give you the channel link as well. youtube.com/@A2C Arts and Crafts. So this is my... So let me give my channel link as well. So that's my channel link. Now the next question is, which topic would you like to learn more about at Creator Camp? So multiple ways of making money on YouTube, YouTube search and discovery, other new product features on YouTube. So again, select the one that you feel that you want to learn and continue as well. Now let me just quickly select as this one. So how did you hear about this event? I heard this from the email, so I'm going to select as email. Now whatever is the different mode that you came to know about it, you can just select that as well. Want to ask YouTube leadership team a question at a camp? If you have any specific question, you can mention that here as well. And again, if you don't have any question, you don't have to mention that as well. You must agree to the terms and condition to register for this event. So please make sure to acknowledge this. I'm going to select to this. Right. So once done. So next it is saying that okay, please email us updates and information on activities occurring during and after the event, including links to join the event. So I'm going to select as yes. And once done, just click on register. So we have just registered now, and it says the registration process is in progress. Email has been sent and the event date on 26 September 2023. Okay. So that's how you apply for or register for the YouTube Creators Camp event. So do that and I'll be there. I'd be happy to see you as well. So click on the link and register for that event as well. Thank you, and see you in the next video. If you have any questions, just comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer. And if you want to grow your YouTube channel, just click on this link to watch more videos on how to scale up your channel. Thank you. I'm Sriram Benur. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye for now.